Okay, we just got a massive 15 kilogram Cnfans haul in the mail. Let's open this thing up and check out what we got. They really packed this thing good because it is hard to cut into. There we go. You can already see the items peeking through. Now, I'm pretty sure this took a little bit over a week and a half to get to me, but the shipping line actually did take longer than expected. Like, the warehouse honestly didn't take too long to pack this thing. I think I'm just gonna go chronological order. Whatever's at the top, I'm gonna get out first. So I think this is a shirt. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's get this thing out. Don't know what this is actually. Oh, this is a Balenciaga t-shirt. Let's check this one out. Nice print on the front. It's just nice and plain on the back. And I ended up getting this in a size medium. Now on screen, you can see what it looks like on me. I'm typically a medium, so this is how it fits if you are a medium. All right, next item we got is a Maison Margiela bag. Let's check this out. What do we have here? Ah, nice classic Maison Margiela t-shirt. There we go. Look at that print on the front and plain on the back, of course. If we just get a nice close up on those tags, you can see it's spot on to original. And even the tag itself, which might be slightly overexposed, but I can tell you right now, it is perfect. And then once again, in a size medium, this is how it fits on me. These ones are stuck together, but that's because it's from the same seller. It's these jean shorts, and these are like under $10, and the quality is spot on. I already own a couple pairs of these, but I had to get a couple more colorways. First one we got is these light blue ones. They're the big boy jorts, of course. There they are. So obviously got these in the light blue. And then I also got them in the dark denim classic look. And then here's a tag on this one as well. Now, one thing to note with the big boy jorts, go a size up. I'm typically a medium. I get these in a large and they fit so much better that way. Now, I also ended up getting these like dark brownish sort of gym shorts. Got these in a medium, so I'm not sure how well they fit. You'll see on screen how they fit on me. But they're honestly a really, really nice material. It's not too thick in the middle, so they're good for summer. And if I'm being honest, I think these were like under $5. All right, next up, we've got a bagged item, and it is an essentials bag. So a nice classic white essentials t-shirt. I just wanted a couple white t-shirts to add to my collection because I don't have anything really plain, and I know there's the text at the front, but these essentials t-shirts are just super simple, and you can just wear this under a zip up, which is my go-to plan. Now, these do fit baggy, so I'm typically a medium, but I still get a medium because I like the baggy fit. All right, what do we have next? I think another essentials bag. I actually think I got two of these. Yeah, I got two of these, so won't worry about this one. Then next essentials bag, we have got a nice gray hoodie. Here we go. Oh, never mind, not a gray hoodie. They are like a grayish sort of sweatpant vibe. These are a really nice color, you know. I got these in a medium, and you're gonna see on screen how they fit on me. So if you like that fit, you can cop them. One thing I will note is they are very thick on the inside. So if you're gonna wear them on a hot day, they're probably gonna be way too warm. All right, next item we got is this zip up, which I've been trying to find for so long now. And wow, that print is so nice. It's this rude zip up, just look at that print. Once again, I got this in a medium. You're gonna see on screen how it fits on me. So if you want it, get it. I think this was a little bit of a pricier item though. I think it was like $40. I could be mistaken though. Obviously price is gonna be on screen, so it'll correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a must-have item. All right, next thing we've got here is a Represent zip up, I'm pretty sure. Yep, never mind, it's not a zip up, it's a hoodie. It's got that classic Represent print on the front. And Jesus, this thing smells like it is straight out of a Chinese factory with that glue smell. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a wash before wearing it because wow, that thing stinks. Next up, we have actually got some underwear. Let's check these things out. Oh my gosh, they used a lot of tape on these. It's just two pairs of these Lacoste underwear. I saw on a subreddit that you should size up, so I got these in a large. And then we have got another essentials bag, yep. And it is this dark gray looking essentials t-shirt, yep. And it's got that puff print. I've already got one of these in blue, and I can tell you the sizing on these is true to size, so just stick normal with these. Alrighty, oh, this is the one I was looking forward to. Seeing as Australia is coming into summer, I copped this classic Adidas tee that everyone knows and loves with the stripes. And this thing was super budget, but I'm pretty sure by the looks of it, the quality on this thing is actually really, really nice. And I got a medium in this, so of course you can see how it fits on me once again. We've got essentials trackies in black because I needed some more black sweatpants. Here they are, and you already know how these ones fit because I tried them on earlier, and they're in a medium once again. All right, next thing we've got by the looks of it are shorts, I believe so. Let's open these up and check out what they look like. Yep, they are Balenciaga shorts. Nice. Look at the print on these. These just look super nice. They're gonna be good coming into summer. You can also wear these as gym shorts. Now, for some reason, these didn't come with a size tag printed on the inside, but I did get a medium in these. So obviously, if you like the way they fit on me, get a medium. I would assume these are pretty true to size, but don't quote me, just have a look at the video on screen. Next one is this Acne Studios t-shirt. Let's get this thing open. Let's see. I got this in like a lime green sort of color. It's gonna be good coming into summer. It won't keep you too hot like a black t-shirt would. And here it is. It's got like a little, yeah, it says Acne Studios printed in like a puff sort of print. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on it. No, it's not. But I did get this in a medium. Doesn't say the size on the inside, but trust me on it, I got a medium in this. And it feels like a really nice high quality shirt, even though I think this was like $6. What do we have here? I think we've got, oh, yep. Another Essentials t-shirt. Just in black, nice and simple. Same one as that white t-shirt, so if you like the way the white one fits, then it'll fit the same as the black. Now, I've got some sunglasses, I think. It looks like a sunglasses case. I honestly do not remember what I ordered in this haul, so everything has been a surprise to me, as it has to you. But this looks like a sunglasses, oh, dropped it. But this does look like a sunglasses case, so let's see, what sunnies do we have here? Okay, in a nice white case. I do like the case, it's very nice. And they look like Pradas. Yeah, these are Pradas. They come with a glasses cleaner. Doesn't say Prada on it though, which is a little bit annoying, but I'm gonna throw it out anyway, so it won't really matter. But then of course you have the sunglasses themselves. Comes nice and protected in a plastic sleeve and with your classic glass lens protector. So let's get this open. This is like one of my least favorite things to do, open up glasses, but there we go, got them out. And then here's the print with the Prada. It's gonna be hard to see with the light, but you can trust me on it. It says Prada there, it says Prada there. So it's a classic. Let's try these on, see how they look. They feel nice. I'm sure they probably look all right as well. I don't know. You let me know. Do you like them? Do you not? They were cheap, so it doesn't really matter. All right, we've got our last clothing item before we get to some of the fun stuff, which is moissanite jewelry. So let's get this thing open. I actually don't know what brand this is. It's a hoodie that I saw while I was just scrolling through Reddit. What does it say? It says, I don't know, someone tell me what brand this is. I honestly have no clue, but I really like the look of the hoodie. It gave me like the Adidas Balenciaga vibe with the stripes on the sleeve. And this thing feels really, really nice actually. It's like a navy blue with the white stripes. And I got this in a medium and it looks like it's gonna fit me good. So definitely a keeper. Here we are, we're on to the last couple items and these are gonna be fun. It is some jewelry from Mr. Bling. These are in my spreadsheet, of course. But, oh, here we go. Look at that. Bang, look at those moissanite chains. Let's get this open. Now these come nice and protected in like a really thick plastic bag, and then you've got this to put your stuff in. Let's check out this chain. Oh, that feels good. That feels actually really, really good. Bang, look at that unravel like that. Now I gotta figure out how to clip this thing together. Got a little slot that comes in. Let's see. I think I just slot this in and it goes in. Nope, I'm struggling with this. I'm an amateur. I have literally never owned jewelry. Oh, there you go. You have to pop it open and then you put this piece in, clips in, and then you crack it back in like that. And then that's how the chain would look. I didn't put it on though. That was probably stupid of me. Probably should have put it on. Let's try it on now. All right, pop that in like that. Oh, this is hard to do by myself. That looks really nice. It's like simplistic as well. It's not overdone like some of those crazy blinged out diamond chains that you see rappers wearing. But I won't lie, I did get one of those. So let's open it up. Comes in this absolute monster of a bag. So, oh my gosh, comes with a gift bag and everything. Let's check this thing out. Open it up. It's packed really well so it doesn't get damaged in shipping, of course. This seller is actually really, really good for chains and stuff. So gift bag, of course, won't be an in-and-out. And then it slots out of this little sleeve. And here we go. Let's open that up. Bang. Oh, look at that. That looks so nice. Listen to that thing jiggle. Wow. It's nice and thick, but just not too overdone like some of those massive chains you see. And I know what you're probably thinking, why would you just get chains? Well, I didn't. I got a massive pendant to go with them. And this one is once again from Mr. Bling. So let's check this out. All right, opening it up, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is way bigger than I expected, but I do not care. And it even comes with a little chain just to put the pendant on if you didn't already have a chain. But I'm gonna put this on my nice blinged out diamond chain. Oh, I can just feel the quality on this. It's not light. Bang, we got that Sonic moissanite pendant. All right, let me put this on my chain and see what it looks like all together. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's try this thing on. Bang, look at that, the Sonic chain. This thing is heavy though. I can just feel my neck being weighed down by it. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this out in public, but it's just a weird, cool piece to have in my collection. All right, I'm gonna hop over to my desktop where I can show you guys all the links from this video if you want anything. Now, obviously, if you want all the items, they are of course in my spreadsheet, and you can find this by going to my beacons and then obviously clicking on top rated spreadsheet. From here, you'll be brought to the spreadsheet and you can go over to the hauls from videos tab. And right after filming this, I'm gonna add all of the items to the spreadsheet right at the top so they're easy for you guys to find. You'll also see the URL from this video so you know which items are from the video. Now, a quick little tip, if you want to save some money on your hauls, you can use my sign up link, which will get you up to $129 off your haul. This is one-time use coupons though, so if you've used it once, make a new account, use it again, there's no point not. Or you can also go to your Cnfans account and enter code Daoz if you want to save up to 15% off your haul. But anyways, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, give it a like, let me know what you want me to get in the next haul down in the comments.